Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and enabling the feature. Open Settings, go to Lock Screen, then Always on Display. This ensures the option is available. Once done, toggle AOD on and choose a basic clock style so performance impact is minimal. Make sure low power mode is off, because it can override AOD. You're setting a stable baseline here by verifying model and Android version first. You avoid chasing options that aren't present on your device. Now you'll tune AOD behavior so it meets your needs. Choose a clock face and remove widgets you don't use. This reduces CPU wake-ups and battery drain. Once selected, set a schedule, like nighttime off, or choose Show Always if you need continuous visibility. Make sure to lower AOD brightness and enable Tap to Wake when supported, because that balances legibility versus power use. These choices change how often the display fully wakes, which is why configuration matters for battery life and longevity. Finish by applying changes and verifying behavior. Restart the phone so settings fully take effect. If Always on Display still misbehaves, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps, then check for system updates. Make sure permissions and display drivers aren't restricted by security apps. If problems persist, reset lock screen settings, and only as a last resort perform a factory reset after backing up. One key troubleshooting tip: booting to safe mode quickly tells you whether an app is blocking AOD.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.